Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here. I had a client that asked me a question about an issue he was facing. It wasn't so much an issue as a way to do things. He wanted to create a new field in Act. And to do that, if you want to create a new field, he went up to Tools, and he clicked on Define Fields. Now, I wish they had called this Create Fields. I think that's more descriptive. But when you click on Define Fields, what this does is it opens a box that allows you to either edit a field or create a new field. But in his case, when he went up to Tools, Define Fields was grayed out. Now, why is that grayed out, and why was it not an option for him? Well, in his particular case, he had what's called a remote database, a database that synchronizes to the cloud, and then the cloud back to his computer and potentially other computers within his small group of Act users. So that was grayed out. And the reason it was grayed out is because in order to add a field in that scenario, you have to literally get onto the web version of Act and create the field there first. Then, once he synchronizes his data with the main database, which is what he would be doing anyway, then he will all of a sudden be able to go in and not create fields, but if those fields are created there first, he will be able to go in and add them to his layout if that's what he needs to do. So in other words, they've got to be created in a different spot, and then once they're created and he does a synchronization, he'll have access to those fields. So that's how you do it. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you very much. Be well, my friends.